if you're looking for an escape from the city, Shangri-La Hotel Singapore is a lush green sanctuary that you and your loved ones will surely enjoy. It has 3 distinctive wings, 11 dining concepts, and even amenities like an in-house spa, an indoor playground, and a splash zone for children. When you book your staycation on Klook, it is an all-inclusive experience. You can enjoy a picnic on their lush green lawns, a 3-course Italian dinner, and even spa and massage discounts. Let me show you around. We're now here at the Garden Wing Deluxe room. This spacious 50 square meter room comes with a king-size bed, a living area, and even a balcony. Other amenities include an espresso machine for you to have coffee at your leisure. The bathroom is huge with a bathtub, double sinks, and even a standing rain shower. You won't even need to bring your own amenities because the toilet comes fully equipped with your shampoo, conditioner, and even a hair tie. If you're here with your family, the room is spacious enough for you to put an extra bed for your children to sleep on. It also comes with child-friendly amenities like kid-sized bedroom slippers, a children's toothbrush, and a friendly squirrel mascot for them to take home. All of the rooms in the garden wing come with a huge balcony, and this one overlooks the swimming pool. It definitely makes you feel as if you're living in a resort.
We're now here by the pool, and as you can see, the fountain is a big hit with the kids. You can come here to take a dip with a peace of mind because there are safe distancing measures in place as well as a capacity limit. There are also lifeguards on duty, and there are life jackets available for your kids. How cool is the splash zone? There are a total of 6 unique water play areas, including water slides and even a big pirate ship for a splashing good time. Booking with Klook also means unlimited playtime here. Now that you've had all the fun in the sun, why not cool down with some gelato at the Waterfall? When you book your family package, you'll get complimentary gelato, and if you book the dinner package, this is also where you'll enjoy your 3-course Italian meal.
Your staycation package also includes a complimentary picnic experience. All you need to do is bring your picnic basket to any of these picnic spots located on the map. We're here at the garden lawn behind the swimming pool, and we can't wait to tuck in. When you book your staycations on Klook, it also includes 20% off Chi the Spa treatments. Some of the must-try treatments include the Himalayan hot salt stone massage as well as their signature Asian blend. After your treatment, you'll come into this lounge where you can enjoy light refreshments and snacks. We're now here at the lobby lounge at Shangri-La Hotel Singapore. When you book your staycation on Klook, you can enjoy 2 complimentary cocktails of your choice. And if you're looking for something a little bit more indulgent, you can even have your afternoon tea here.
You can enjoy your complimentary breakfast here at the line. While the buffet lines are currently closed, you simply have to scan the QR code here to access the menu and order to your heart's content. Ooh, okay, so I'll be having the Belgian waffles, the Singapore laksa, and the chapati. What about you? Now that we've shown you everything at Shangri-La Hotel Singapore, are you ready to book your staycation?
Our cocktails are waiting for us, so we'll see you!
Bye!